chainsaw. It's actually a hedge trimmer. Unlike a chainsaw's rotating chain, the trimmer uses straight back and forth blade movement to cut. This design allows clean, even trimming without stressing the plants. If you used a chainsaw on soft bush branches, they could easily get tangled. The trimmer's blade frame is often bent like a shovel, helping collect branches during horizontal cuts. For vertical trimming, flat double-sided blades are used for higher efficiency. It's also much lighter than a chainsaw and can be used with support hooks, making the trimming process easier and less tiring for gardeners. This